my name is Carlissa, and if you're interested in how I got this look, then just keep watching. Also, you should subscribe because I'm new to YouTube, and it would mean the world to me. So, I think you should do it. I think you really should. I think you really should. Okay, keep watching. So I went and I did my eyebrows off camera so we could get straight to the point of the rest of the video, which is this bad boy. This is the Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette. This palette is very unique and pivotal for Morphe because it's just so different. The packaging is completely different. Normally Morphe palettes have like hard plastic packaging and they only have 35 shades. This one is 39 shades. So we're gonna open this up and see what we're working with. I have not used this because I got it for Christmas. So what I like to prime my eyeshadow with is, or my eyelids with, is the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. So we're gonna go in with a big fluffy brush, which the fluffy brush that I like to use is just this one. It's literally from AliExpress and it's very worn down, as you can tell. But I like to use this, and this helps me like set my whole eyeshadow. So the shade we're gonna go into to set our lids is Bare. It's this shade right here. So we're gonna go in with that shade. We're gonna pack it on the brush and just pat off. Go in with this orange shade right here in the middle. And this shade's name is Define Me. So we're gonna pack that all in the crease basically, just so it's like nice and easy transition shade. We're gonna do back and forth window wiper motions to blend this into the crease. We're gonna go with this end shade right here. It's the shade Sculpt. I think I'm gonna go with this shade right here, this one right here, and that is in the shade, I think it's Vibrant. And we're gonna go in with the first orange shade in the middle, Define Me again, just to kind of make sure everything is blending out perfectly. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. It's the shade Evolve. So we're gonna go in with a Morphe Y15 brush, which is like rounded, I don't know, literally tapered, rounded blending brush. I don't know. Pack that shadow onto this brush, and we're gonna go into the outer V mainly. So this brush is really good. I like to pack on my shadow on my eyelid with it. And we're putting this kind of on the lid, so it's like going in between the crease and the lid on the outer V. I think I'm gonna go in with this cooler tone brown from the first row. It's called Stroke. And this one right here, the second one in. And I'm gonna pack that on the outer V as well. Okay, we're gonna go with the shade Mass right there. We're gonna go with the shade next to Mass right here, the shade right here. It's called Frame. And we're gonna go in with the shadow Passion. It's a nice eggplanty pinkish shade right here, the second one in. We're gonna go in with this shade right here, the third one in, called Expression. So we're gonna go in with this flat side, slightly on here. We're gonna carve out the crease. Okay, so what I like to do is go in with the shadow. I'm gonna use this sculpt one again and just put it on the outside so it kind of just blends it out so the harsh line is not as harsh. We are gonna go in with our NYX glitter primer. We're gonna go in with the back of our hand. This already has kind of sparkles in it, but it's really good for setting that lid. And I'm going in with my Vasanti brush, Vasanti Eyeshadow 2 brush. So while that's drying, I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Pro Filter primer and just put this all over my face. This really helps like your foundation stick and stay matte for as long as possible. We're gonna go back in with that naked brush again and we're gonna pick up the shade. I can't tell if I wanna do like, you know what, I think I'm gonna do both of them. So there's these two glitter shades right here. I think one, the pinkier one is called Spark and the golder brownish one is called Artistic, but what I'm gonna do is do a little bit of both. So I'm gonna do Artistic all over and then I'm gonna just kind of put Spark kind of in the middle, I guess. I think that'll look good because it looks kind of pinky. So I'm not even gonna wet my brush. I'm just gonna go in and coat it like that. But next we're gonna go in with our Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. We're gonna spray our brush with that just a little bit. And then we're gonna go back in with that pink shade again and put it right here, right in the middle there, and it makes it look more like foiled. We're gonna pick up that goldish shade right here again in the shade Artistic. We're just gonna pack that. Oh, and I sprayed my brush before. We're gonna pack that right there. The very, very tip of the brush, we're gonna go in with Expression and we're gonna pack it into the crease right here. But we're gonna go back in with another one of these Santee 2-in-1 concealer and foundations, but this one is in the shade medium beige this time. What I like to do is go in with concealer, foundation, and then do concealer again. The foundation I'm going to go in with today is the Kat Von D Lock-It Foundation. As you can tell, it's very used in the shade Deep 71. The concealer I'm going to be using today is the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. This is in the shade Caramel. So we're going to go in with our beauty sponge for this and just blend it out under and make sure it blends in with the foundation. We're gonna go in with, this is a brand new product to me. This is the Makeup Revolution Pro HD Powder Contour Palette. This is in the shade Medium Dark. We're gonna set under our eye with that lightest shade right here. It's kind of like a banana shade, I would say, kind of almost a banana yellow. So we're gonna set under our eyes with that. We're gonna go in with a deeper shade. I'm gonna go with the one next to it, I think, yeah, because that one's pretty warm. This is what's really gonna have you snatched. If anything is gonna have you snatched ever in your life, this is it right here. For highlighting today, I'm not sure what I want to do. Like bam, 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 like, or just like a bam, you know? Normally it's bam, bam, bam because I don't know how to control myself when it comes to highlighter, but that's fine. So for highlight today, we're going to be taking what I take every time. It's the ColourPop Glow Up Highlighter. Oh, holy heck. I just realized something. This is not even Glow Up. This is a completely different shade. This is the shade Candyman. I've been using this for way too long. I've been calling it Glow Up, but this is Candyman. I'm gonna go in with the Becca Jaclyn Hill collaboration Prosecco Pop Highlight. But I'm gonna apply this mascara. This is the Maybelline So Dirty. Maybelline Lash Sensational. Can never talk. Lash Sensational Luscious Mascara. Where this is like my favorite, like, holy grail mascara. I forgot to cut my lashes. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. I'm going to go off camera and apply lashes. Okay. So I would say this look is complete other than the lips. So for lips today, I'm going to be using this NYX lip liner in the shade Espresso. We're gonna go next into the NYX Liquid Lingerie in the shade, I think this is Teddy. This is my favorite one. Nope, it's Beauty Mark, but Beauty Mark and Teddy are very similar. So the setting spray that I'll be using is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, as I mentioned earlier, and you'll see how fine the spray is when I spray it on my face. I could bathe in it. Kind of smells like hairspray, but I love it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and check back for more and make sure to subscribe because that would mean a lot. Thank you. Bye.